Conquering challenges, face the final boss, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad of expressions. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, face the final boss. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or just love exploring English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and unlock some intriguing insights. The term, face the final boss, has its roots deeply embedded in the gaming world. In video games, a boss refers to a powerful enemy or antagonist who is much stronger than the other enemies and presents a significant challenge to the player. The final boss is typically the last enemy that players must defeat to complete the game or a major part of it. This concept has transcended gaming and entered popular culture, symbolizing a final obstacle or challenge in various contexts. When someone uses the phrase, face the final boss, outside of gaming, they're metaphorically referring to confronting a major challenge or obstacle. This could be anything from taking a crucial exam, attending an important job interview, or even overcoming a personal hurdle. The phrase encapsulates the idea of preparing for and confronting the most challenging part of a journey or task. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday language. After years of hard work and study, I'm finally about to face the final boss, my PhD defense. The team has overcome many challenges this season, but now they must face the final boss, the championship game. I've passed all my courses, but I still have to face the final boss, the comprehensive final exam. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in educational, professional, and personal contexts, highlighting the versatility and richness of English idiomatic expressions. Understanding phrases like, face the final boss, is crucial for English language learners because it offers insight into the cultural nuances and contextual richness of the language. It shows how English speakers often borrow terms from specific domains, such as video gaming, to describe everyday situations in a vivid and relatable manner. And there you have it. We hope this exploration into the phrase, face the final boss, has been enlightening and enjoyable. English is filled with vibrant expressions drawn from various facets of life, and understanding them can greatly enrich your language skills and cultural understanding. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel more prepared than ever to face your own final bosses in life. Until next time, keep learning and keep facing those challenges head-on.